Hello and welcome. Today I'm sharing a hidden gem in Microsoft Word that will change how you work, the ListCommands macro. This powerful tool reveals every shortcut command in Word, and I'll show you how to use it in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. So here's how you can use the ListCommands feature in Word. First, head over to the View tab, click on Macros, and then select View Macros. In the macro name field, type ListCommands and hit Run. This will open a document listing all available Word commands, along with their corresponding keyboard shortcuts. It's like having a full map of all the shortcuts at your fingertips,